Did you know you can screen record directly into Microsoft PowerPoint, capturing anything you do on your screen on your Windows 11 device? Before I show you this, please like, subscribe. So I've got my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation open up here, and I want the screen recording to go into slide 2 here. This is what you do to screen record. So you can do this on you showcasing anything on your web browser or PowerPoint itself. I'll show you how to do this. The first thing you need to do is select the slide you need to screen record on. At the top in the ribbon, go to Insert and scroll to the right side where you see the media option here. You will see video, audio and screen recording. Click on screen recording, and when you click on screen recording, it will bring up this pop-up box at the top. Now it's asking you can either select or start the recording there. Here you select the area you want to record. Here you enable or disable the audio along with the recording, and here whether you want to record the pointer or not. I'm going to select the area I want to record. I'm going to choose the area of my screen, which is this area here, and then once I'm happy with the selection, I'm going to flip over. I'm going to open up Google Chrome, because I want to record some aspects of my Google Chrome browser, what I'm doing in there, but also flip between both PowerPoint and Google Chrome. So when I'm happy, I'm going to start my recording. I'm going to click on record, and then the recording should start in 3, 2, 1 within Microsoft PowerPoint. So it's recording directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's going to capture what you're doing on your screen, and I'm going to go into RA Solutions website. So please do check the website out and capture different aspects to showcase to people as a tutorial of what to do on the website. Maybe I want to go into blogs and showcase that, or close that advert, and just check out these articles in RA Solutions. Then once I'm happy, I've shown what I need to happy on my web browser, flip back into Microsoft PowerPoint, show some actions in there. So if I want to show somebody how to create or convert bullet points into smart art, add my bullet points in there. And obviously to convert this into smart art, you will highlight it, right click, convert to smart art there, choose the list there, and that's very quickly converted to smart art. You can change the color schemes there, whatever you want to do. Once you're happy that you've captured your actions within your whatever you are doing for your screen recording, to stop the screen recording, hover over the top, and this pop-up will appear, and what you can do here is stop the recording there. So I can stop the recording, and what it will do, it will put that screen recording here into slide 2 there. Obviously you've got the bullet point there, but we can put these bullet points, actually let me cut that, put those into slide 3 instead. So those bullet points have gone to slide 3, the recording is on slide 2. Now you've got your recording into slide 2. Let's say you want to save this recording as a video file. What you can do is highlight or go to the playback option, highlight the recording, go to the playback option at the top in the ribbon, and you can see an option here which says save media as. Click on that, and then you are able to save that recording to whatever you want that recording to be here. So you can save it, give it a name, save it as a MP4 file there, click on save. If you want that recording to stay embedded into Microsoft PowerPoint, leave it as is. But also what you can do with this recording, you can change the volume of the recording here to low, medium, high, mute, or you can trim aspects of that video there. You can check the video if it's recorded or captured everything you want. So you can see the little navigation bar here at the bottom. There you go. And what you can also do is just play around with the different aspects here. So you can start the recording automatically when the slide plays. You can hide whilst that is not playing. You can loop the recording. You can insert your own captions. But let's click on F5 to see if this recording actually plays when I load the slide. There you go. So that's recording is playing when the slide's appearing. And it works essentially in a very similar way to any video that's been embedded on your PowerPoint slide. So that's just a very quick and easy video showing you how to use the screen recording option. Just a bit of a recap: go to Insert, choose the slide you want the recording to go to Insert, scroll to the right side, in the media option, Screen Record, and when you click on Screen Recording, this tab will appear, and make sure you select your area, then click on Record. And once you're done recording, hover over the top, this pop-up will appear to stop the recording. I hope this video has helped you. Please do like, subscribe, share.